Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneak World, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, it is cold as hell here in Columbus, Ohio, and I'm going to spend the next however many minutes or hours hopefully not wasting my time at the Nike outlet here in Ohio. Well, one of. I'm going to go to Jeffersonville, Ohio. One outlet that I used to frequent over a year ago. I haven't been to the Nike outlet in over a year. And I wasn't even really aware of it until I called and asked them a question. And they were like, we haven't done that in over a year. I was like, damn, okay. I guess I'll see y'all soon. But the Nike outlets here in Ohio, across the board, not just here in Columbus or Jeffersonville, Sunbury, Cleveland, all across the board are comically terrible. That's the reason that I stopped going. I'm not confident that they're going to be any better today, but it's been such a long time since I've been that I figured, why not give them another chance? This will probably be their last chance to impress me, because that's how important I am to Nike, that they have to impress me to get my business. But no, anyway, that's what we're going to do today, man. If you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Join the movement, man. Subscribe to the channel. I don't know, like I said, how many more Nike outlet videos there will be. I used to do them all the time, and they were a waste of gas money. So let's get to it. Hey, and another thing, go check if you're into it. I'm a huge fan. Target does yearly Black History Month t-shirts and collections and different things like that. I was able to find a couple t-shirts over there that match some sneakers that I bought recently. I think the handcrafted Jordan 1s and some other things like that. So if you guys want to check that out, if you're into it, go check out Target. They do have a Black History collection. But anyway, let's get to the outlet. All right, y'all can see we got Nike over here in the background. It's windy as hell out here, so let me get inside, spare y'all all of this extra stuff outside the building. Let's get in and look at the sneakers, or lack thereof. As we can see, there's no body inside the store today, which I'm not mad at. I'd rather be more sneakers and less people. So we'll start in Josiah's area first. Go over here to grade school, 6.5, 7. And this is the hash wall though. Let's go to its actual. Oh my God, I hate it here, and by here I mean Ohio. What? Oh my God, aren't these like swim shoes or something? Oh my God. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. I'm gonna be in and out of here. This video is gonna be 2 minutes long. I'm gonna make y'all sit through this. I'm gonna make, since I gotta walk through here, through this pain, and they got this music blasting, I'm gonna make y'all sit through it. Since I gotta endure this, y'all gotta endure this. Oh my God. I'm not even editing this out. I'm not even cutting it. I'm just gonna go up and down each aisle. And I want y'all to look at this. I'm not gonna slow down. I want y'all to look at this. Kevin Hart voice. Would y'all look at this? This is painful. Now, don't get me wrong. Now, there's people that need, you know what I'm saying, sneakers that come to run and different and work out and different things like that. I have nothing against that. You know what I'm saying? I don't want anybody to think that I was under the impression that I would come to the outlet and it would be a bunch of retros, and at least not here in Ohio. But come on, man. This is like shopping at Kohl's or Target sneaker section. They gotta do better. They got a few things back here on this thing, end cap type thing. But let's look on the hash wall and my size. Like, look at this. Like, what is this stuff? I don't even know what this stuff is. Metcon Sports? No idea what this, these Kyries or something? I mean, at least all the, uh-oh, they got the Manarchs. You know what I'm saying? I mean, at least all the prices are really low. But come on. This is worse than it was a year ago. This is worse than when I was coming over a year ago. But like I said, man, this is embarrassing. It's comedically scarce in these outlets. I really wish this employee would stop following me around like he wanna ask me, is there anything he can help me with? Bro, you know there ain't nothing in here you can help me with. So I'm about to cut the camera off here in a second. And I speed walk through this whole thing. We got some Jordan boxes up here. What are these? Oh, these are slides. I'm not even gonna open that. Y'all see what it is. Hopefully I didn't give y'all that whole Blair Witch feel with the shaky camera. I'm glad I didn't bring my actual camera up here. Complete waste of my time. Sheesh. All right, like I told you guys that I did pick up some t-shirts. I wanted to show you guys what I picked up real quick to end this video out. So if you look on the couch right here, we do have, I don't know who this is. I probably should have, if it's somebody specific or not, I don't know. But, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know who that is. That matches, that is like it's made for that. You know what I'm saying? Now, I just like this shirt, or it's a crew neck, more of a sweatshirt. I'll probably just wear some Timbs with that. But either one of these, I can rock out with this joint right here. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below how y'all feel about that. But I just wanted to show y'all the t-shirts real quick, man. Shout out to Target. Those t-shirts are fire. Shout out to Target for representing Black History Month on an annual basis. I'm not going to get into a Black History thing right now. But anyway, OV! Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, my rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss nobody. But if they have me get to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.